Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the DJI Mini 2 SE, affectionately known as DJI Mini, with the VISNEE Newest Drone, or as we like to call it, VISNEE. Let's get ready to rumble. DJI Mini comes in at a cool $279. It's like the luxury sedan of drones. Meanwhile, VISNEE is priced at just $59. Yep, you heard that right. It's like the budget-friendly compact car you bought in college. So if you want to fly high without emptying your wallet, VISNEE has got you covered. DJI Mini is lightweight, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for hikes, road trips, and even sneaking into your annoying neighbor's backyard for some aerial espionage. Just kidding, don't do that. VISNEE, on the other hand, is also foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like a Swiss Army knife of drones, small, versatile, and ready for action. The DJI Mini boasts an impressive 31 minutes of flight time per battery. And if you go for the combo, you get a whopping 93 minutes. That's almost enough time to binge watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone does all the work. VISNEE? Well, it offers 30 minutes with its 2 batteries combined. Not bad, but you might want to keep a charger handy. DJI Mini features some fantastic shooting templates through the DJI Fly app, allowing for professional-level videos. It's like having Spielberg in your pocket. VISNEE, with its 1080p HD camera, isn't too shabby either. It's got a 90 degrees manually adjustable 2K camera, perfect for capturing those "I woke up like this" moments. DJI Mini wins this round hands down with a 10 kilometers max transmission range, thanks to DJI OcuSync. It's like having a drone with superpowers. VISNEE, well, it connects via Wi-Fi, so don't stray too far from your router, okay? DJI Mini can brave winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. That's like flying through a small hurricane, folks. VISNEE, well, it prefers calmer weather. Maybe a nice, sunny day at the park. DJI Mini is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function. It's like having a drone with a built-in GPS for the directionally challenged. VISNEE also makes it easy with one-button takeoffs, landing, and features like headless mode and 360 degrees flips. It's like the circus performer of drones. Fun and flashy. Reviewers praise the DJI Mini 2 SE for its impressive camera quality, stability in windy conditions, and ease of use. It's seen as a high-quality drone suitable for both beginners and advanced users. On the other hand, the VISNEE Newest Drone is appreciated for its affordability, durability, and fun features, though it falls short in camera quality and battery life. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a high-end, feature-packed drone with a gold-plated price tag, DJI Mini is your go-to. But if you want something budget-friendly that still packs a punch, VISNEE is the underdog hero you need. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.